I didn't try to rob nobody.
Get out of the car!
Well, I can't even move.
Yeah, he needs a hand.
You stay right there.
Well, I'm trying, but I can't move. Come on! Don't do that to me.
Stand up! You're out of the car, aren't you?
I'm not trying.
Stand up! Stand up! Stand up!
I didn't try to rob him or nothing.
Fuck up.
I'm serious. I didn't.
Stand up!
Well, I'm sorry. I didn't try to do nothing like that. Damn, dude. I'm serious. I'm sorry. I just went in there. I wasn't trying to rob nobody or nothing like that. I don't do that.
All right.
Yeah. Why do you have to do that? I'm sorry.
I told you, please stop talking.
Okay, well,
Do yourself the favor and be quiet.
okay, well,
Stop talking.
don't hurt me.
Stop talking. Nobody wants to hear this shit. Take these handcuffs off of you. Listen to me.
Fine.
You leave this hand in the middle of your back,
Okay.
okay? Do not move it. You move it, and you make any kind of movement, and you're going on the ground. Do you understand
What's
me?
your deal, dude?
Knock it
I'm
off.
not trying to do nothing.
Right there. Do not move it.
Fine. I'm not trying to
Yeah.
do nothing.
Trying to run from me when you're gonna.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you were. Yeah, you were. That's why I threw you on the ground. Get over here.
Fuck you.
Get over here. Get over here. Sit down! Fucking sit down!
This guy's a dick.
Yeah, at least
I'm not even trying to do nothing.
At least I know who I am.
Yeah, who are you? Fucking.
A dick.
Yeah. D-I-C-K.
You're. Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Charlie, we don't resist things still! I'm sorry! I'm sorry! Give him the back!
His head behind your back.
I'm sorry! No, take the swing at me! Take the swing at me! Yeah, stupid motherfucker. Take the swing at me!
I'm sorry.
Fuck! You kidding me? No, fuck that! Fuck that!
Sorry.
Josie.
Stand up.
Okay.
I'm trying. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I'm saying nothing else. I'm sorry, sir. I'm
Get
sorry.
up in your chair!
I won't do nothing else.
Sit up!
I won't ever do nothing again. I'm trying. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Put your hands down!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir.
Sit back! Strap him in. I'll watch
Well,
him.
I won't do nothing else. I'm sorry.
Oh no! Swing at me! Dumbass!
I'm sorry. Yeah, you're an idiot. You're a fucking idiot.
Sit back! Sit back! Stop resisting. Do you understand me? Stop fucking doing it! Go ahead. Strap his ass in. I got him. You're about a dumb fuck, you know that? Take a swing at a cop in the cell. Another felony!
I'm not trying.
Fight with cops, what you get? Fight with a cop in a jail cell. You're a dumb son of a bitch.
Why are they calling Westy? Tell them to disregard it. We don't need Westy.
Dude, I'm not trying to fight with you. Stop doing that to my head.
Charlie 3, we're okay. Stand him down. We got one detained in the chair.
Sir, I'm sorry. Really, I'm not trying to do
Tell it to the judge.
Shut up. I told you to shut the
It's a felony.
from the beginning.
You didn't have enough tonight, now you want another one. Fine.
We'll keep tacking them on.
Why?
'Cause you're a dumbass! Strap his feet in. Take a swing at a cop in a...
We're gonna need medical. He's got a good...
I don't care. Strap him in the chair.
Okay. I am.
What did you...
Take a swing at me? Really?
I know.
I did not say that.
You didn't take a swing at me. Oh, okay. In that precious little mind of yours. You didn't take a swing. Cool.
Well,
No, this is ow.
Dude, I didn't mean to...
You didn't even take a swing at me. Cool. I didn't mean to bust your face up either.
Yeah, I could tell. Just calm down.
Oh, you want me to calm down?
Please.
Fuck you, you ain't in charge. I'll calm down when I'm damn good and ready, dumbass.
Sorry.
You want to fight with, you picked the wrong cop to fight with, man. I can tell you that right now.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh yeah, you're real sorry, I can tell.
I am.
you're sorry for nothing.
I am. I'm very, very...
You're drunk.
A dumbass drunk at that.
That's the best I can do right now.
That's fine.
You ain't going nowhere.
Ready to relax? Relax. I don't believe that, dude. Take a swing at a cop in a fucking cell. You gotta be dumb as a box of fucking rocks, man. Dumbass Charlie, take a swing at me in there.
Really?
Yeah, he got busted up.
Should you understand you are under arrest for armed robbery, okay? You're also under arrest for assaulting a police officer. Felony assault.
Sorry, sir.
You're under arrest for armed robbery. Anything you say,
Armed robbery.
to use against you. Do you understand?
Armed robbery.
Do I need to spell it for you?
Oh, he can't fucking.
Armed robbery, that's what you're under arrest for.
What does that mean?
I don't have no goddamn gun. I did not try to rob nobody. I was in there and tried to fucking buy a bottle of liquor. Fuck that.
Yeah, I busted him up.
It's okay, that's
I'll
fine.
take full responsibility.
It's okay. It's your life. Relax.
And it's all on.